Hello, welcome to another fun Friday. We're going to look at playing Clocks by Coldplay. Remember, this isn't a piano tutorial, it's just the notes I use to remember how to play it when I play it in a band. Like and subscribe, always appreciated if you want to see more of these. There's only two parts to it really. The main riff covers the intro, the verse, the chorus, the outro. The only other separate section that has different chords really is the bridge, but as the keyboard player you're not really worried about that, you're just supporting the chords. Now this main riff, if you haven't learnt this on keyboard, you're going to kick yourself for not doing it in a minute because it's so iconic and people will recognize it straight away. So it is E flat, then you can see I've got B flat minor twice. That's because you repeat the B flat minor phrase before going to F minor, and it sounds a bit like this. That's it, literally the whole way through. You can do it as held chords depending on how you arrange it with your band. And what the other instruments and vocalists are doing, because it is such a simple tune, you need to make it a bit interesting, giving it some highs and lows. Like I said, the bridge is relatively simple. I'll come back to do that main riff again a bit slower for you in a second, but let's just look at the bridge. I do these as open fifths, so the bridge, I play that for the G flat, so you've got G flat, D flat and G flat. To move to the D flat, all you need to do is pivot the G flats to A flats and leave the D flat where it is, and then get to the A flat. All you need to do is move the middle finger from the D flat to the E flat while moving your bass note. So you've got those supporting chords. And eventually you're back into the main riff. Now all you need to do this is the E flat you're playing, start with the E flat on the top, and remember we're playing eighth notes, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you have to stop there. Then you move to the B flat minor. This time we've got D flat on the top, repeat B flat minor again, 7, 8, and now F minor with the C on the top. So you finish on the A flat before going back to the repeat. That's literally all there is to it. Classic tune, and everyone will recognise it as soon as you start playing. Like and subscribe, always appreciated. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.